Hey, what's up? And I want to talk about a subject that everyone asks about, and that's about manifesting abundance into their life. I get so many questions about that. And my answer is grab your sage and let Healing Crystals Love get you stoned with your crazy host, In Love. And my answer is, if you're asking about manifesting abundance into your life, then you already believe that there's a lack. So the best thing that I can say is, when you go somewhere and you get ready to buy, say, your groceries, you can't think about what's in your bank account. You can't think about what's there right now. You have to think about how it would feel to already have what you want. So if you're going to buy something, or if you're going to the grocery store and you're buying something that you really need to buy, I would use my imagination to think about pulling out this nice metal black card out of my wallet. And instead of the groceries being there, you imagine that you're buying whatever it is that you would like to buy, whether it's a new Mercedes, whether it's this nice little diamond ring, whether it's a gold chain, whether it's a new house, whether it's money in your bank account, whatever it is. When you get ready to do anything, you're imagining the state that you want to be in. Instead of saying you need abundance, which is telling the universe that you lack, period. You should already be in that state. You should tell the universe that you're already in that state, because when you do, the universe reflects that back to you. Whatever you imagine, the universe reflects that back to you. So the moment you ask me something like, Nikita, how do I manifest abundance in my life, is the moment that you're admitting to the universe that you don't have something. And so instead of taking that approach, take the approach of, Nikita, girl, guess what I just manifested into my life? And when you do that, that's when things happen. That's when you change things. And that's when the things that you're looking for manifest into your life. All right, have a great day.